Hi, welcome to this short video on editing a finished ground profile. So I have a finished ground profile here, and if I look at one of these curves in here, I might want to set the station to be more of an even station, like 4 plus 50. I might want to change this vertical curve, or I might want to even change some grades on this. So what I do is I select the finished ground profile on screen. Then I'm going to come up here to the ribbon. We're going to go to the geometry editor. So I select on that and I get the profile layout tools to come up. Now I'm going to be looking at this area down in here. So we've got two options really here on editing this. Let's just say I want to edit that curve. I can actually click on this icon right here. It says select PVI. When I do that, this dialog box comes up. That's this button here. So I can turn that on and off. All I'm going to do is just pick near a vertical curve. When I do that, it actually shows me there's my PVI station. So I'm going to change that to 450. And then I've got a curve length here of 150. I could say, no, let's make that 200. Then I could click on a next one, and I could start making the changes there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. The next option is this icon down here at the end. This is the profile grid view. This brings up the panorama. I always like to tell new users to keep that open. Don't try to minimize this. Okay, when I don't want it anymore, I get out of it. That way, when I click on the icon, it automatically throws it up. And so here you can see all the stationing. So I could click in here and change this to 800. I can change this one to say 10. And then maybe this is at 1250. So I want those at even stations. Now I can also change the grades in and out, and I can also change the curves here. Now changing the grades in and out, whatever row that you're highlighted on, so let's say I want to change the grade in or out here. Whatever grade I change, I'm going to be holding the elevation that I'm currently on. I'll be changing either the elevation before or after. So for instance here, if I want to change this elevation here, I'm going to change the grade out and I'll say it's 1.5. I press enter, and now you can see this is changed to 95.1. Same thing, if I want to change the grade coming into it, I know this elevation is going to hold. It'll change this one. So I'll change this to say 0.5. And now I've set that to 93.85. I'll go ahead and get out of this. And this concludes this short video on editing a finished ground profile.